Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to school. Dear students, this is our Alpha Grammar and Composition textbook of Grade 1. And today we are going to start our lesson number 1, the alphabets. Before we start lesson, we have to learn the main objective of this chapter. The main objective behind this lesson is to learn about alphabetical order. How we have to arrange alphabetical in their order. As we all know that we have 26 letters in the alphabet and we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Total we have 26 letters, and out of 26 letters we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and rest 21 letters are consonants. Example B, C, D, G, H, K, L, M, N, etc. Now dear students, I hope all you understand. Now we are going to start our lesson number 1, the alphabet. Now before we start, in this chapter we have one short story. Now we are going to start the story. Children, please line up in order, said Miss Jones. Amina stood first in line. Bobby stood in front of Cindy and Tanish. Why she is telling like this? Because we have alphabetical order like A, B, C, D. According to that, all the students have to stand. Zan, you are in the wrong place, said Violet. Yuri should stand behind me. Why? Why he is saying like this? Violet said this because the letter Y comes before Z. That's why he is saying that Yuri should stand behind Violet and Zain should stand in last. Now question number 2 is fill in each blank with the correct letter from the story above. A is name of a person behind Bobby. Who is standing behind Bobby? Cindy. And which letter comes after B? Yes, C. So what we will write here? C, and the name of the person is Cindy. Now B is name of the person who should be behind Violet. In the story, who was standing behind Violet? Yuri. Y-U-R-I. So which letter we will write here? Y. C is name of the person who should be last in line. According to you, which letter comes in last? Z. So what we will write here? Z, and the person is Zen. Now question number 2. Fill in the missing letters of the alphabet below. I hope all the students know full A, B, C, D, A to Z. So you have to write the missing letter A, B, C, D. Afterwards E will come. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So the English alphabet start with the letter A and it end with letter Z. The letters of alphabet have a fixed order called alphabetical order. This thing we have already discussed. So we move to next page. In this also you have to fill blanks with complete ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here you have to fill the boxes with the letters. Now question number 8 is name the picture below. What is the first picture? First picture is of hat. What will you write here? Hat. Second one is fish. Third one is cap. Fourth one is pot. F-I-S-H fish, C-A-P cap, P-O-T pot. Question number C is write the name of the picture above in the alphabetical order in the blanks. First spelling what we will write here? The spelling start with C. So what we will write here? Cap. Second one is fish. Second word what we'll write? Fish. Third one we will write hat. And the last one we will write pot. Now here we arrange them in the alphabetical order. Now question number D is arrange the words below in the alphabetical order. Again we have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Now first sentence is pink skirt long favorite. So here we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. So first word which will come, favorite, long, pink, skirt. Okay, we have to check the first letter of the word. So first letter will come here, favorite, long, pink, skirt. Second word is spider, hairy, big, grey. So what we will write here, big, hairy, grey spider. Third one is red, juicy, large watermelon. So we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. So large, juicy, red watermelon. And the fourth one is leather, brown, dusty shoes. So what will be the correct order? Brown, dusty, leather shoes. Fifth one is red umbrella, new stripe. So what will be the correct order? New, red, striped umbrella. So here we complete our alphabetical order. Now we will move to next page number 8. Exercise number 1.2. Capital and small letter. Before I start to read the story, I just mention one thing. When we start any sentence, we have to start with capital letter. And when we specify particular name of a person, particular place, particular days of the week and month of the years, though that time we have to start them with capital letter. So here start the story. Joe and Ali's class had a surprise visitor on Monday. Now you can see here the name of both the person and the day of the week. Both three of things start with capital letter. Hello, I am John Davis, your new teacher. What are your name? Now what is the name of teacher? John Davis. So your name of a person is John Davis. So that's why they will start with capital letter. I am Ram. I love cricket. I am Grace. I am from Brazil. So what is the name of student? Ram and Grace. Now fill in each blank with a word from the story above. Name of the day of the week. Which day is mentioned here? Monday. What we will write here? Monday. Name of the new teacher. What is the name of new teacher? John Davis. And the name of the place Grace is from? From where Grace is? Grace is from Brazil. Yes. Question number 2. Circle the odd one in each row below. Now you can see in the first row DLMT. Have you noticed in first line that three letters DLT are in capital but M is in small letter. So what is the odd one out? M. So we will circle M. Next line is OPQR. So OPQ is in capital and the R in small letter. So we will circle R. Third line and the last line SEAN. Now you can see here also S, E and N are in capital but A is in a small letter. So which one is the odd one out? A. So we will circle A. Name of a particular person, place and days of the week start with a capital letter. As I told you earlier also, when we talk about ourselves, we use capital letter I. All other letters are small letters. So here we complete this page. Now we will move to our page number 9. Exercise number 1.3, vowels. As we teach earlier, we have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and we will fill vowels in the blanks and we have pictures for the hints. So first picture is of a boy. So which vowel we will write in the blank? O. So what will be the spelling? B-O-Y, boy. Next one is picture of cap. What we will write in center? A, wall, A. So what will be the spelling? C-A-P, cap. Third picture is of orange. So we will write O in the start and the spelling will be O-R-A-N-G-E. Next picture is of an ant. So what we will write here? A and the spelling will be A-N-T, ant. Next picture is of egg. So what we will write? E. Next picture is of ice. So what we will write? I. So what will the spelling? I-C-E, ice. C-U-B-E, cube, ice cube. And what is the next picture? Hen. So what we will write in the blank? E. H-E-N, hen. And the last picture is of umbrella and umbrella. So what letter we will write here? U. Then what will be the spelling? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Question number 2 is fill in each blank with the help of the picture given. What is the first picture? Pen. So what will be the spelling? P-E-N, pen. Second picture is of doll. So what we will write? D-O-L-L, doll. Third picture is of jug. J-U-G, jug. Picture is of box. So what will be the spelling? B-O-X, box. Next picture is of bag. As you can see, a yellow bag is there. So what will be the spelling? B-A-G, bag. And the last picture is of fish. Blue fish. So what will be the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. Now I hope everyone has complete. The letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now we will move to page number 10. Remember one thing, special name of a people and things begin with a capital letter. Names of the days of the week begin with a capital letter. Now we start doing practice. Now question number A is again fill in each blank with the correct word from the bracket. Here we have two options. So we have to choose the correct one and the right in the blanks. It was bright and sunny on dash. So we will went for a picnic. Now as I told you earlier, special days of the week or the name of the day of week, we will start with capital letter. So Sunday start with capital letter. So what we will write here? Capital S-U-N-D-A-Y. Next question is tomorrow is my birthday. Birthday is not a particular thing. So we will write small b. Tomorrow is my birthday. Birthday start with small letter. Third one is that orange cat is called Garfield. What is the name of cat? Garfield. Here we will choose a capital G because this is the name of a particular cat. I told name of a person or animal or a particular place, we will start with capital letter. So here answer will be G, start with capital G-E-R-A-R-F-I-E-L-D, Garfield. We visit our grandparents in the summer every year. Summer means it's not a particular season. So we will write the summer start with small s. Question number 5 is Mr. Sharma bought 2 red car last month. They have not mentioned any particular car name. So we will write car start with small c. Now question number 8 is circle the vowels. As we all know, we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we have to circle letters A, E, I, O, U. Question number C and the last one, match each word with a picture. Fill in the blanks with a vowel. First picture is of kite. So we will choose C option. And we will write I in the blank. So what will be the spelling? K-I-T-E. Second one is of rose. So we will match with A. And the spelling will be R-O-S-E. Third one is jug. And we will match with B. And the spelling will be G-U-G. Fourth picture is of mango. We will match with E option. And we will write A in the blank. And what will be the spelling? M-A-N-G-O. Fifth picture is of cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. And we will match with F option. And sixth one is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird picture. Understood? I hope everyone enjoyed this chapter, and we have learned about vowels, capital letter and small letter, and alphabetical order. I hope everyone enjoyed this, and we will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.